If you're looking for a platform that is going to allow you to host courses, have your own community, chat option, even have events, Circle is probably for you. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can use the all-in-one community platform Circle and how you can use it to your advantage to provide the maximum value for your community. And if you want to learn how you can grow and manage your community in a more effective way, I created a free group in which we are helping each other to grow communities. So it will be really a pleasure to have you there. Now let's start with the circle.so, and if you want to register, you can use also the affiliate link down below in the description for the Circle. Let's start now with the pricing plans. So what I really like about Circle pricing plans is that they are easy to understand. You can switch between monthly and annually, and then you can have also free 14-day trial. So for me, it's sufficient and enough to have the professional version because I don't need anything from the business. So in the business, you're going to have workflows, customizable fields, API access, email white labeling, content copilot, automated transcription and activity scores. And in enterprise, you're going to have even more. But in the professional, you have like all the important things like discussions, events, paid membership, custom domain, also courses, live streams, live rooms, unlimited members, all of that. So I'm going to choose the free 14-day trial for the Circle professional plan right here. And now I'm going to add a full name, Marcus Tonelius, email address, and password. And then I accept the terms of service, sign up. Okay. Now let's create your community. So here you're going to write like, how is your community called? So it can be, I don't know. Let's say that I'm going to build a community for YouTubers because I'm a professional, like I would say like YouTuber, full-time YouTuber. And I teach others how to grow their own YouTube channels, etc. So let's say YouTube growth. And we're going to build it for this. Now write there your name for your community. And what you can do is that you can make private community. Your community will not be accessible to visitors. Members will have to be invited by you and sign in to access your community. I don't know if you want to have it, but you can have it private. And then allow visitors to sign up. Public communities can choose to disable signups. If you toggle this off, your public space will be visible to visitors, but visitors won't be able to sign up to your community. So you can have it also like this if you want to. That's like completely up to you because I don't know if you want to have a private community or no. Now I'm going to press next. And then where I'm in journey, let's say I have small audience. What I want to achieve, I want a platform to help me monetize my community. And I work at coaching. How much do you know about Circle? Not a lot, let's say. And then I'm going to press next again. And then I'm going to choose a community template. So here you're going to choose optional, pick a template to start your community with. Templates include default set of spaces and can be customized later. Now I'm going to press, let's say basic one, and we're going to start from the basic, okay? And now I'm going to press finish. But if you want, you can just choose the coaching or even course right there. Now, when we are right here, we can see the setup checklist and everything on the left side. So I'm going to show you now step by step what we are going to find here. So before we're going to start with a setup checklist that we're going to do together, I want to show you what is on the left. So here you can have home. In home, you can have all the posts. You can write here posts, and I'm going to show you soon how we can do it. Right here, you can add a cover or even welcome banner for your home, what people would see. Then you're going to have members, and here you're going to find all the members, and you can search by a name, search by a space they are in, and or by events. So when I'm going to click on a member that is like me right now, I can find here the about the email from when I like joined the group, and you can find the posts, comments, and spaces here. Now, when you're going to go further, under members, you're going to find courses. So here you can create a course space if you want to. And you can find introducing course on Circle. And I'm going to show you soon how you can do it and how you can create your own course. Here, under getting started, you're gonna find like these three spaces. So first, let's understand how does it work. This is a space group. Space group can be, let's say this is about how to grow on YouTube, can be, let's say, YouTube growth, when people share strategies and everything. YouTube growth, YouTube marketing, and let's say YouTube monetization. So there will be one space. Then we would have like another group in which I would have like TikTok marketing. And then here I could create another space group, which would be, let's say, Pinterest marketing. You know, so there will be the space group, and under space group, you're going to find everything. Or you can even have your own space like, I don't know, consultations, and have spaces there. So it's like completely up to how you're going to set it up, but that's just like idea how it works. So here you can see that you're going to have the spaces under a space group. What I can do, I can click plus here and I can add a space, or I can add a space group. When I'm going to add a space, what will happen? I can choose between posts, events, chat, course, and members. All of that I'm going to show you soon. Or what you can do is to click plus here and add a space group. So this can be, again, let's say TikTok marketing. And I can hide the members count. I can hide from non-space members. And you get like these options here, which can be pretty important based on what you want to create. And like automatically add members to this group when they join a space inside it. So I'm going to press create. And right, look, we have our own, say, the space group, and we have the space right here. So it's like really similar to Notion, in my opinion, where you're gonna have like pages on the left side. So when you're gonna have the spaces, then you're gonna have the links here. Links can be to your page, it can be to your YouTube channel, it can be to contact page, to something outside. So that's for the links. And that's pretty much it. Now, later in the end of the video, I'm going to show you how we can set up all of these and how we can like change these. What I recommend to do is to also switch to dark mode. You don't have to do it. I'm going to do it because I like that it's not really, my eyes are not hurting so much. So I will just leave it as a dark mode now. Let's start first with the setup checklist now. So on our setup checklist, I'm going to click basic here and we're going to complete the profile. So we're going to add Marcus Tonelius. Headline can be YouTuber, and you can write a bio here. So let's say the bio is going to be for me, I am a full-time YouTuber focusing on search-based channels. And now I can change also the profile picture here. Save changes. So I have the profile picture. I have the name, headline, bio. You can also change the location here. And you can have like your email publicly visible. And then you're going to have the social links that I definitely recommend to add. And then you're going to have also the permissions. If prevent members from messaging me, you can have it turned on. Now click save. When you're going to have it, and it's going to refresh, I have the profile picture right now on the top right. You can have the customize your branding. Let's continue here. We can upload a logo and also upload the icon right here. So if you have your own logo and if you have your icon, you can put it here, and you can change also the brand color. So let's say I'm going to have like this green. And you see that everything is green. Now you're going to have confirm community access. So there are two types of circle communities. Public communities are open for anyone to see. Optionally, you can restrict signups and gather certain spaces to restrict access to parts of your community. So let's say that you would have it for free, but courses are going to be hidden, or like advanced something is going to be hidden. That's something you can do for the public. Or private. Private communities are only visible to their members. Members have to receive an invite from you or follow a special invitation link to join. This is really great if you want to, let's say, have, how would I call it? That you're going to allow someone is going to buy a course from you and they're going to have private access to your community, and you're going to have it right there that you're going to allow it. So that's where you can change it in the settings in general. So make this private community. If you want to, you can do it right here. Now I'm going to mark it complete. Set up your spaces. This is something that like you're gonna have nail your setup circle expert tips on spaces. You can check it out if you want to. Then you can have default space. This is the space your members will land into when visiting your community. You can choose the default space for new and existing members in settings home. This can be, let's say, a chat forum, right? Or posts. And you can have it right here. So when we go further, default page for existing members, you're going to choose it. Default page for new members, you can choose it where they're going to land. So for example, when someone is going to come new here to your page, you want to have them on like, let's start, or like, do this before we're going to start. Then update your community notification defaults. This is something that also you can have. And I'm going to mark complete. The next thing is to create a paywall. Once you set up your spaces, you charge for access to individual spaces or your whole community by creating a paywall. Paywalls can include monthly, annual, or one-off pricing options, and you can offer coupons or free trials. So when you're going to come here to settings and paywalls, you can connect a Stripe account here and create like then a paywall for the specific spaces. So here you're going to find it all. Then you can invite your members right here. And then you're going to kickstart engagement. So you can download the app here. You can customize community home. So you can set up the welcome banner and everything. Let me show you here. And here you're going to find like the guides about it. So create an event, reach or go live. Pick one easy action for all members to do in their first week. So we're gonna have like the engagement here and how to have like engagement in your community. And then you can join the circle community right here. So that's about the getting started and the overview of it and how it works. And let me start now first on how you can add spaces and how you can manage them. So I already shared with you on how you can create your own space group. But to add, let's say, to TikTok marketing, we're gonna add our own post, chat, course, and everything. So first, add a space here, and I'm going to have your posts. Click next. Here, let's say this is going to be the post, let's say news about TikTok. Space group, TikTok marketing, yes. And add members from the space group. You can have it if you want to. Now, access, you can have it private or even secret. So open can be that anyone who is going to be in a community can see that. Or private, invite members only. So let's say this can be behind paywall, is that everyone who wants to be in TikTok marketing needs to pay $97 and they're gonna have access to it. Or secret, only invite members only. Non-members will not see this space. So new post notification. So you can have it email, in-app or mobile. So when there is new post, you're gonna have notification right here. And you can set it up if you want to. And then let's create a space. So when you have the space and you can have like news about TikTok, here I'm going to create a first post. I'm going to write here, have you heard this news about TikTok? And you can write here something. So you can write here that, so TikTok created a new feature. And what you can do is that when you're gonna write slash, here you can add all these things here, like upload image, file, audio, video, PDF file. You can empt here many applications that you can like integrate. And then you can have like code and all of that you can write. Then on the bottom left, you can attach a file. Then you can attach a video. Then you can even add a GIF. And then you can add the pictures, some emojis, and even plus here, this is the slash thing. Posting in news about TikTok. And what you can even do, you can schedule the post, you can save the draft, or you can publish it. So let's publish the post. And you see right here, this is how it looks like. Now, when someone's going to write a post here, you can delete it, you can edit it, you can pin it even because you're admin, so I can pin it to top. And now on the bottom, someone can write here. They can like it, they can comment it, or even same thing, they can write a comment to your post. So that's about how you can manage posts in your spaces. So let's go for the next thing, and that's how you can add events. So to add events, same thing, you're gonna click plus here, add a space, and then events. Click next, and add a space name. So let's say this is going to be TikTok weekly calls. Space group, and the same thing, you can change the access to open, private, or secret. And I'm going to click here, create a space. Now here, I'm going to no upcoming events. So what I have to do, I have to click here, new event on the top right. And here, I'm going to add a title. So let's say this is going to be Friday group call. Space, TikTok weekly calls. And when this is going to be the event, it's going to be, let's say, Friday, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And it's going to repeat every Friday. And even ends, well, we're going to be after or on October or November. Where is this event? And now we're going to choose the location that you can circle live stream, circle live room, in person, or you're going to add a URL like the Zoom URL here. And you're going to save drive. So okay, save draft. And now what you can do is that for the basic info here on the top, you can have like overview. So here you're going to find attendees, co-hosts, latest attendees, and you can add attendees right here. So next to the overview, you're going to find people, where you're going to find like add attendee, and you can enter name, space group, or tag, or add someone. Then you're going to have the post details. So it can be Friday group call, it can have your own image, and you can even describe the event. So that's how it works. And then you're gonna have notifications here. So you can send email notifications and in-app notifications, and if you want to, you can also change the reminders and like turn them off if you want to. And next to notification, you're gonna have advanced. So you can have permissions and attendees and SEO that I don't really, to be honest, use, but you can have it right here. Now I'm going to click preview. Before you're going to publish, I definitely recommend previewing it. And then you see right here, this is how it looks like. Then I'm going to publish it. This event, this and following events, or all events. So I'm going to click accept. And now I'm going to look at this. TikTok weekly calls. I published all events. So you see that every single week at Friday, it's going to happen. And this is something that I really like how automatically it was. Now what I can always do, I can go to not going. This is what the people are going to do. Then also I can delete the event. I can duplicate it, or I can even edit it. So let's say 8th September is not going to be. So I'm going to delete it. And then you're going to have it right here, the 22nd September or 29th September. So that's how it's done. And this is how you can have like your events in Circle. So now let's go further to how you can set up your own courses right here. So to add a course, this is the same way. Again, you would click plus here. Now I want to also show you this. What I like is that right now in the home, you see what was happening. The news in TikTok and TikTok weekly call. And you would see it right here. Now when I'm going to click to plus, I'm going to add a space and I'm going to add a course. Click next. Now you have option to have, look at this. Course starts when a member enrolls. All content is available immediately. Structured. Course starts when a member enrolls. Sections are dripped relative to their enrollment date or scheduled. Course starts on a specific date. Sections are dripped relative to that date. Then choose which one you want and click next. Then you can have the icon and the name of the course space. So let's say this is going to be TikTok Growth Space Course. And this is the space group. And again, I can add members from this space group that are, let's say, in news or TikTok weekly calls. They can be also here. Let's create a space. Now, what do you have to do, right? So you're going to have the waitlist here, average completion rate, and then you're going to have edit lessons. So how does it work? First, we have to add a section. So let's say this is going to be our TikTok marketing guide. Okay, let's say like this. And I can add a lesson to it. So again, let's delete that. You're going to click here, add a lesson. So marketing guide is going to be how to get more followers. Now I can click here, I can view the lesson, edit the lesson, rename or delete. So when I have it, how to get more followers, we have to edit the lesson. So these are the sections and these are the lessons. Edit lesson. And what you have to do now is that on the left side, you can have lesson status if it's published or draft. Feature media, yes. And you can even make it downloadable. Now I can upload, let's say, a video. So I'm going to choose here. Let's say I'm going to choose some recording. Like this one here. Okay. And as you can see, it's like a video that I started about like the pricing plans. And now what I can do, I can start typing here. So I can have slash and I can add paragraph, heading, a number list, bullet list, divider, code, emoji, and all of that you can add under it. So downloadable links, Instagram, whatever you need, you would add right here. Then what you have to do is click save on the top right. I go back to lessons. And as you can see, I can add a new section. So let's say this is the marketing guide. And then it's going to be TikTok video strategy. And I can add a lesson again, which is going to be how to create videos. And the same thing applies. Again, I can change it to published. I can edit the lesson. And I can add videos and everything. So upload, or you can add it from URL, let's say YouTube. So I'm going to choose a file. And like this. And then you're going to click save. So right now, when you have it, you can have also option to have files, downloadable files. Let's say that's like education, etc. Now, next to the lessons, you're going to have the customization here. And you can have the icon here. TikTok marketing. This space is in draft mode, okay. And when you're ready to publish a space, please choose your access settings below. So this is important to have it open, private, or secret. So let's say that you're going to have it open for everyone because it's a free course, or you can make it private, or you can make it secret. Then you can have images here. And next to the customize, you can have also paywalls, where you're going to connect the Stripe account. And for this tutorial that I'm using a demo account, I'm not going to connect the Stripe, but here you would just connect it. Then lock screen. So this page only visible to non-members viewing a private space. And here you're going to choose and edit everything for the lock screen. So the heading would be learn how to grow on TikTok. Okay. And then you're gonna have like description here about the course and call to action. Again, another one. So when you have it, you're gonna be members. These are the members in the course. Options. And that's pretty much it. So when we have it, I'll go here. And here you're gonna have the growth course that people can see and watch. So that's about it. And I can view the course here. And look at this. This is how it looks like. So a person, welcome Marcus. They're gonna have the course content right here. They're gonna be like how to get more followers and also how to create videos. So I can start the course. And look at this. Then they can know how to create videos. And I can click here, complete lesson. How amazing is that, right? So pretty straightforward, pretty good. And that's about the editing lessons and how a person can do that. So you can also edit the lock screen or copy the URL to paste it somewhere. Now let's go further on how you can add a chat. So adding a chat, in my opinion, is a great thing that Circle has. So when you're going to click here, chat, you're going to click next. Here, you can have a space name in which you're going to write, let's say, TikTok group chat. And then space group is going to be TikTok marketing, and it's going to open access to everyone. Create a space. Right here, you're going to have TikTok group chat where people, in which you're going to be online, they can write here. So I can add a message and I have a reply to those messages. So this is amazing. Then I can add images, upload a file, add emoji, mention, add a GIF, or even attach a file. And you can always change the settings right here. So this is how it looks like. And you can add the links here. So let's say to your YouTube channel or somewhere where you want people to connect with you. So this is a good thing. Now when I go here, I can have these settings and I can have the icon, the space group, access, paywall even to group chat, lock screen. If you can have it for under paywall, that's going to be secret, members, and options right here. So same thing as anyone else about when we were creating course or the posts space, but the chat option in my opinion is like goddamn amazing. And that's what I wanted to show you right here. So when we go further, what you can do also is click here and you can delete the message. And then you can do that. So chat function, I definitely recommend to have it. For me, this is like 10 out of 10 feature and I absolutely love it. So let's go further and let me show you how you can add here the members space. So to add a member space, you have to click plus here, add a space, members, next. And space name can be like, I don't know, TikTok. Okay. And here you can have all the members that you're going to find in TikTok that people can get access to. So right now, as you can see, we created amazing TikTok marketing group space in which we have everything. We have the news, which are the posts. Then we have the weekly calls. Then we have the course even. We have the group chat. And we even have like the members that we can see. You can always change the emojis and everything. Right now I have just the blue icon here, but you can have there something else. Now the YouTube Bro, when I'm going to click here, I'm going to show you how we can change all of these, okay? So when you're going to come here to community, and first thing is spaces. Here you're going to have all the spaces that you can manage, you can delete, and it's like all grouped together. Here you can also add a space group. Then you're going to have the posts here. So here you would find all the posts that are happening in all the groups that you have. So if you want to, you can also change that. Okay, I want to have start here only. But in start here, we don't have any posts. So we have only news about TikTok. So here you can have all the posts and you can add a post right here. Then you can have moderation here. When you're going to have the inbox, no post or comment in moderation, approved or rejected. So you can always go here to settings. And you can like profanity filter that I recommend to have like bad words there. And then flag all member activity after X reports. So this is like a good thing to have. And flag all member activity after the flagged content is rejected. Then you can have live option. So you can host a live event if you want to. So you can start a live room right now. And you can have title and everything here. And the view and just like title random live stream. You can have custom URL slug, description here, and you can also record this room. You can have also then the view here, if it's going to be just speaker or gallery. And then we have like 0 members. Now I'm going to test the video. And I'm going to allow the camera and microphone. And you're going to see it right here. And you can just start the room. You're going to have like the audio, video, camera, and microphone that you can change if you want to. But that's pretty much how it works. And you can just start a room and then start a live stream straight away. So that's about the live streams and the content on your page. Now, when we go further, and you see right here the random live stream here. When you go further, you can have the members here. So in members, you can invite people. You can bulk import them from somewhere. You're going to find also options so like invitation links here. And member tags. So you can have like tags here for your members. Then you're going to have the automated workflows, scale your community without cloning yourself, workflow let you save time and money, personalize member experience, and put your community engagement on autopilot. I'm not going to do it right now because this is like a, in my opinion, high level stuff. That is like really great if you can have like big community, workflows are perfect. But right now, if you want me, I can create a workflow tutorial for you, and I'm really happy to do that. Then you're gonna have the paywalls, and then also plans here, so that you can choose. And then you're gonna have analytics. So in analytics, you see like really important things like overview, active members, new members, popular time, popular days, active spaces, all of that you're going to find right here. So as you can see, Circle is packed with features. And then when we go further, let me show you. You're going to have settings here. So as I mentioned, logo, icon, onboarding, custom domain that you can add here. Code snippets, weekly digest. And then also like home, and you're gonna find like a lot of settings here that you can change if you want to. Also on the top right, you're gonna have options to have like notifications here and direct messages. So that's something you can find right here. And then you can edit the profile and edit notifications for yourself. So that's pretty much it about Circle. I hope I gave you a little bit of value on how we can use it more effectively and how we can use it to your own advantage. For me, Circle is like really good tool, and what you can achieve with it is crazy. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope you're gonna have a great day, and goodbye.